going on, guys? Matt Miller back here, and today I am doing something crazy, man. I've been so pissed off about losing that footage the other day. I'm good about it now, but I am doing something crazy. It is April 26th, 2:42 in the afternoon, and it's been snowing since 9:30 this morning here in Illinois. We're supposed to have another snowstorm start at about 5 o'clock. Right now it's kind of rain, and right now it's actually kind of hailing. Kind of a mixture of rain, hail, and snow right now. And I'm going to attempt to go to the lake, and maybe with this storm front, maybe these fish will really pick up and start biting. Now, you know, a lot of times you think during a storm or like snow, the cold weather, the fish can turn off, but it can be just the opposite too, where these fish will feed up. So I'm going to try it for maybe an hour or so. It's going to be miserable out there, but if I can catch some fish, hopefully that'll make it better. But you guys can see out there that it's starting to snow, but right now it's actually a mix of rain with ice right now. It's not very good weather at all. So I'll hit you guys up when I get to the lake, and we may be fishing in some snow. All right, guys, I am at the lake. I just want to get a temperature reading here and see what the water is. You can see we are getting snow in Illinois. It's kind of a rainish sleet right now, and then we're supposed to get another snowstorm at 5 o'clock. All the fish here on out from April 26th until like May 31st is all going to be towards a G Money Strawn tournament. So if you guys hear me say G Money Strawn, that's because it's a fish for the tournament. Now, if you guys don't know what that is, you guys can go ahead and head over to his channel, and you can look for the video that says online tournament, and that's going to explain all the rules. Anybody can enter as long as you have a scale, and you can see on this deeper right here, I'm reading 50 degrees. April 26th, and the water is 50 degrees, and that's in 5.5 foot. That is absolutely insane. You can see I'm actually marking some fish down there along with some bait fish, some grass, nice hard bottom down there. So I could always mess around and just throw right there, but I really just wanted to get a get a feeling for the temperature, and 50 degrees is freezing. That is some really cold water. So I'm not expecting too much today. I got a few baits I'm going to try out, and just because I marked some of those fish right here in this little area, I'm going to mess around and throw this craw out here. But I am not expecting too much today. I brought a few different rods, and we'll kind of see what happens. But 50 degrees is really cold, but you never know. Sometimes during these kind of storms and weather, the fish can really turn on. So that's why I came out today. Not too windy up in this little cove right here, this marina. The wind was blowing about 20 miles an hour when I left home, and I guess in this area it's just not blowing so hard, so that's kind of good. Makes it better for me. But I may be crazy, but let's see what we can do, guys. All right, guys, we should not be able to do this in April. We should not be able to make a freaking snowball in April 26th. Are you kidding me? Oh my God, why am I out here? We're about to find out why I'm out here. Let's go catch a 5-pounder. Let's go. Let's walk over to this pier really quick and throw a on it. And we're supposed to get 4 to 6 inches today, which is nuts. And then the rest of the week, temperatures are in like 40s to 50s. I think the high during the week is like 56 degrees, and it's all going to be rain. So not looking too good this week for weather. Looking really rough. There was a fish. Let's get back in there. He swam off to the left with it, set the hook, and he wasn't there. Come back for it. April should not look like this. Why is it snowing? Are you kidding me right now? Ah. Fish. Fish on. Flat-sided red squarebill. Oh my god, fish. Fish on. Not sure the size. I want to get the net. It's a smallmouth. It's a smallmouth. It's a keeper smallmouth. Let's go. Oh my god. In a pile of snow. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. G-Money Strong, baby. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh, come here, baby. I'm not sure if it's gonna call anything. Barely hooked. Oh. G-Money Strong Outdoors. Let's go. Fat smallmouth in a winter storm. Are you kidding me right now? Beautiful fish. Let me get a picture really quick. Oh my god, I gotta show my wife. She thought I was crazy for coming out here. I said the same thing. Boom. G-Money Strong Outdoors. Let's get a weight on her. Oh my god, guys. Oh. Let's see if she'll call. Alright guys, let's get a hold on this fish right here. Looks bigger than the 2.5 or 1.5s I've been catching. There we go. 2.84, if you guys can see that right there. 2.84. Big old smallmouth. And that's a call for the G-Money Strong's outdoor tournament, baby. April 26th. 2.84 smallmouth on a flat-sided squarebill. Oh my god, guys. Using the Connect scale too right there. What a fish right there, guys. In the snow, man. I cannot believe it. What a nice fish. Almost a 3-pounder. And that's a call for the tournament, baby. G-Money Strong. I told you guys yesterday I was pretty upset about losing the footage. That guy makes up for it right there. Out in a snowstorm. We're coming back for vengeance. Fish on Northern Illinois. There goes that smallmouth. Oh my god. Look at the dock, guys. It's slushy. Couple rods in my net. It is snowing. It's raining. It's sleet. And we got one, guys. Let's get at him. Flat squatted squarebill pulling through, man. This Bagley bait that I got out of mystery tackle box. It was March's box, so yeah. 1 month ago, I got that box at like March 15th or something like that. And this bait has been killing it with this weird weather we've been having. Again, the water temperatures are low 50s, high 40s. I was scanning with the deeper and I was getting a constant 49 degree, 50 degree water temp. So this water is ice cold for April 26th. That is some cold water. And it's just going to get colder with this rain and snow that we're having. I am so happy to catch that fish. 2.84, man. It's crazy because the other days I've been out, it's been nicer, you know, like 68, sunny and cloudy. Some days I didn't catch anything. And some days I caught, you know, those 1-pounders. The one time I caught a bunch of nice fish, but it's strange sometimes with the weather. The weather can be so crappy, and then the fishing can be good, or you know, you can catch some quality fish. So even if it's snowing or raining, guys, and you guys really want to go out, you can brave it for a couple hours, maybe an hour. See how it is. You just never know with the pressure system A lot of times when storms move in, or snowstorms or anything like that, you know, the pressure system changes, and sometimes these fish turn on and they want to eat. So sometimes it's worth the challenge to come on out, brave the cold, and see if you can catch anything. Just that smallmouth right there made my whole trip worth it for sure. I don't care if I don't catch anything else. I'm so glad I got him to bite though. Snow's getting a little bit heavier. See out there, it's kind of, visibility starting to fade a little bit. I mean, not a lot, but you can tell it's coming down more than it was. Trying to find a few more fish. That smallmouth was a good one. I'm hoping to find maybe 2 or 3 more like that. That'd be great. Fish on, guys. Fish number 2. Need to get down here on these slippery rocks. Oh man, that's dangerous. Those are slippery. Oh, that seems like a nice one. Come here, buddy. Oh, there we go. Fish number 2 of the day. Right there. Flat-sided squarebill by Bagley. Oh, let's see if he's a caller for the tournament here. I'm not sure. Oh, thank you, buddy. Fish number 2. It's actually hooked pretty good. There we go. All right, buddy. Thank you for biting. Let's see if you keep. Grab out the Connect scale 2. Give you away. Oh, you look bigger than 1.5. You're definitely a 2-pounder. Or even 1.63. Here we go. Yes. Let's go, baby. 2.72 on the Connect scale. 2.72. If you guys can see that. Make sure you guys can see it. 2.72 for the G Money Strong outdoor tournament, baby. In the snow, man. 33 degrees, if not colder. Catching April bass, April 26th, and a snowstorm, baby. Catching some quality fish, man. Crazy. The worst weather conditions I could possibly have, and I'm catching bigger fish now than I did when it was 68 degrees the other day. See you, bud. Thank you for biting. Let's go, guys. Unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Fish number 2, that's 2 coals, baby. Representing Illinois for the G Money Strong Outdoors Tournament. If you guys don't know about it, I'll leave a description down below where you can click on the video, and then I'll show all the rules and stuff for the tournament, so you guys can check that out. Very happy to be a part of it, and it's pretty awesome to see all the channels doing it as well. Let's go, Illinois. I'm gonna be putting a hurting on them. All right, guys, no other luck off this this point right here. Fishing the red-eye shad. I caught the fish on the flat-sided squarebill, and no luck on the craw. So we're gonna go ahead and make a move. We're gonna go back to the dock where I started throwing my little craw, and I'm gonna throw the flat-sided squarebill there and see if we can get anything. But 2 fish so far. I'm happy with it. All over 2.5 pounds. We had like a 2.84 and a 2.7 something, I think. Almost 3-pounders. Pretty close. So 2 quality fish, and that's 2 coals for the tournament that's online. Again, if you guys don't know about it, check the link below. It'll take you right to the video that I'm talking about, and it'll show all the details. So yeah, really crappy weather. You can see my footprints are actually already getting covered back up with snow. Really wet and thick snow too. Wind's blowing a little harder in here now. Hands are starting to get a little colder, but not so awful yet. We're just gonna go ahead and go to these banks here and work them and work our way around to the other side. So let's get at it. Alright guys, I'm going to move my way down this little walkway here that separates the main lake to the channel here. I'm going to fish off this point. Haven't had any other bites besides those two, both on the flat-sided square bill. Nothing on the craw and nothing on the rattle trap. The wind's picking up. It's blowing maybe 15-20 now. In here it's not too bad, but it's starting to get windy down in this little marina now. And visibility's starting to fade even more, if you guys can see. It's starting to snow more and more. But this trip was well worth it. Those two fish made up for it, and not very often you can say that you fished in the snow towards the end of April. That's absolutely insane. April 26th. Snowstorm all day. Unbelievable. Let's see if we can catch one more. Hoping for one more fish over here. And actually, maybe on my way back I'll fish that channel, see if anything pushed up in there. And man, I did not know that the geese will stay on their nest in a snowstorm, man. That goose is just covered in snow. I don't want to piss them off because they're kind of mad that I'm right here, but if I walk over here, look at that. Fully covered in snow to protect the eggs. That's actually really crazy. Hopefully the eggs make it. I'm not sure how that works with cold. I mean, obviously that goose is sitting on them, keeping them warm, but wow, that goose is, that's a tough goose right there. Wow. I did not know they did that. Crazy. Just had a bite on the craw, I do believe. I'll throw it right back in there and see if I get hit again. It felt like a bite, not positive though. It was hard to tell. Yep. There we go. Oh, there we go. All right. That's not going to call anything. I won't weigh it for this tournament. He is small. You guys can see there. Caught him on the Kraken crawl though, right there. Laser Chokar hook, man. I'm telling you guys, Laser Chokar, the best hook out there in my opinion. Super strong, sticks them every time. They never get off for me. You know, you might lose a fish or two, but in my opinion, the Laser Chokar hook is the best. Again, on the Guggenbaits Kraken craw, right there. 3/8 ounce woe tungsten with a bobber stopper. Nice little pound fish. We'll get them back. Again in a snowstorm, guys. Look at that. Look at this. Snowing April bassin'. Here we go. See you, little dude. Thanks for biting. That's a keeper. All right, we're gonna weigh that guy. That's what we're talking about right there. All right, that might be bigger than some of the ones I've caught. I can't tell yet. Again on the Kraken craw. Man, alrighty. Let's see what he weighs real quick here. Enough. Says 163, which I think I have a fish that's already a 163. Let me weigh him one more time. Again, 163, if you guys can see that right there on the Connect scale too, a 163. So he doesn't call anything because I know I have a 163 in there. But nice little fish in the snow, baby. On the Kraken craw by Guggenbaits. Guggenbaits Kraken craw, Kraken fish. Let's get him back in the water. See you later, buddy. Thanks for biting. Appreciate it. Came right along this boat right here. Makes me wonder if there'll be some around the docks or these boats. If I should, on my way back, flip some of them and see if I can get any to bite. Oh, there's a big fish right there. Big. That was a bass, I think. I'm pretty sure that was a bass. That looked like to be a 4-pounder. Whoa. That was a nice one. Seen a flash of silver. I think that was a bass. He definitely came up and tried to eat something. Well, I'm going to fish this spot for a little while, see if I get that fish to bite. Give it a long cast and work it back. I just seen a big flash of silver. I'm not sure if it was a bass or not. It looked like one. It looked like a bass. I'm gonna make 2 more casts. I'm gonna make 1 more down this way. I'm gonna make 1 more next to this boat, and I'm gonna try throwing the red-eye shad right here. See if I can get that one fish to hit. Got one. Oh my God, it's him. It's the big one. It's the one I seen. Oh my God, it's him. It's him. Oh my God. Stay on. Stay on. It's the one I need. It's the one I need. Let's go, baby. Oh yes. It's the one I seen. He smashed the Kraken craw. Oh my God. That's a call. G-Money Strong Outdoors, Northern Illinois. Gonna put a hurtin' on those southern boys. Oh, let's go. Laser choke our hook. Jammed down his throat, man. Hooked him perfect. Oh yeah. That wasn't coming off. Oh. Oh my God, guys. Are you kidding me? Oh my God, that's the one we're looking for. Look how fat she is. Look at her belly. Oh, that makes up for it, baby. Let me get a photo and get a weight really quick. Let me photo this fish because it's a monster. It's a monster. All right, let's get a weight on the Connect scale too. G-Money Strong Outdoors. Mad Matt's coming for you guys. I'm coming back. Gotta be a 4. That's gotta be a 4-pounder, guys. It's gotta be. It's the fish I seen. Last cast I said I was gonna throw the shad and he hit it. Hold on. Hold on, big girl. 4.05 pounds. G-Money Strong Outdoors. Connect scale 2. Our 4-pounder, baby. We got her. We got her. 4.05 pounds, baby. The first 4-pounder for the tournament. Look at the belly. Holy smokes. Connect scale 2. 4.05 pounds. That's the one we were looking for. G-Money Strong Outdoors. Mad Matt's coming for you guys. Let's go. Look at this weather, man. April 26, 2019. Visibility, look at that. It's going away. Catching mondos. What a fish, man. Oh my God. It's more crazy as I seen the fish chase something up on the surface. And I was like, oh my God, I gotta try to get that fish to eat. I was gonna make 2 more casts with the craw and then throw the shad at him because I thought that's what he was eating. And sure enough, he came and ate the craw. I can't believe it. Thank you, big girl. Thank you so much for biting. Oh my god. There she goes, soaking wet in the slush, man. Got my pants soaked. Let's go, baby. G Money strong. Boom. Just had another fish smack it, guys. The craw. He thumped it. Oh my god. I think he messed it up when he hit it too. Yeah, he did. He thumped it so hard. No wonder why he didn't hit it again. Let's get it back in there. Man, if it's another big one, I'm gonna poop my pants. Oh my god. That fish really just thumped it just now, that fish. That just hit. He whacked it. Oh my god. Got him. It's another nice one. It's another nice one. Yeah, baby. Let's go. That's got to be another call. Hold on, buddy. Let me get you. Let's go, baby. Oh my god, look at that. It's another fatty. Oh my god. The Kraken Craw by Guggen Baits, baby. Roof of the mouth. Let's go. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding me. Let's go. G Money Strong Outdoors, man. Mad Matt's coming back. He's not too happy about the other day losing his files. So he's gonna come back and put a hurting on him. Let me get a reset right here. Oh man. What a fish right there. Fatty. Absolute fatty. Here we go. There we go. There's a call. 312. Connect scale 2. 3.12 pounds. G Money Strong Outdoors. Oh my god. Look how fat. 312, baby. On the Connect scale. Oh my god, there's another call. Here we go, guys. My 3-pounders are coming. Even got a bonus 4-pounder. Both off the same spot. On the same baits. Let's go. Let's let this guy go right here. See you later, buddy. Thanks for biting. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Let's get some more. Guys, I just hooked another one. Oh my god. I just hooked another monster. Oh, it just popped off. Are you kidding me? No, I was not rolling the camera. Oh my god. The wind's really blowing now. You guys see this fish? Another pig. Remember us talking about going to flip the docks? Man, he's strong. First cast on this dock right here. I catch one. G Money Strong Outdoors. Alright, this fish is gonna be tricky to weigh. It's got lots of energy. Let's see what we got though. Hold still, baby. 3.32 pounds. Connect scale 2. G Money Strong Outdoors tourney. Another 3-pounder, guys. Oh my god, look at this. I'm in a snowstorm. The only human out here. Oh my god. Another fatty, man. 3.32 pounds. G Money Strong Outdoors. Again, guys, I'm fishing on Northern Illinois, so I'm representing the tourney for Northern Illinois, baby. What a fish, man. That should be another call, I do believe. 3.32 pounds. Oh my god. Thank you, big girl, for biting. Thank you so much. See you later. Ah, she swam off. Took her a minute because it is cold. But man, what a fish right there, guys. The Guggen Baits Kraken Craw is absolutely demolishing them. Oh my god. Look at this. My reel's all covered. Again, this is the Shimano SLX 8:2-to-1 gear ratio, the Powell Endurance 733. This is a medium heavy extra fast. I love it for Texas rigs like this right here. Absolutely killer. Wow, let me keep the camera rolling for a second. I just flipped it around right here, casted it along this little jet ski landing here. Gave it a few hops, and that fish picked it up almost immediately. Throw right back in there, because I caught a fish the last time like that. Then I threw again, and another one bit. Unbelievable. I want to fish this dock right here, but I got these goose on the nest, and I really don't want to bother them. So I'm just going to skip over that part. Let me cast right in this little hole right here. Ah, that was a terrible cast. Terrible. Throw it on that dock. Bounce it down and let it drop right off there. See if there's anything right under there. Alright, throw it on this pontoon. Oh my God. Sorry I didn't have the camera rolling on that one, guys. Pretty much unexpected. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. My camera is at 1%, so I gotta be fast with the outro here. Crazy day, I'm soaking wet, I'm cold, but it was unbelievable fishing. I can't believe I caught that many fish in a snowstorm and that big a fish. So thank you guys for watching. This is Matt, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Models popping bottles.